How to turn on Acer monitor. So if you want to turn on the Acer monitor, then here's how you can turn on your Acer monitor using the power button. So first, make sure you plug the connection cables into a functioning power outlet. Next, look for the power button on your Acer device, front side, under the display area. Firmly press it and hold it for a few seconds. There will be a light indicating that the monitor is receiving power. That will turn green. Your monitor should now turn on. But if you want to turn it without the power button, then it's not possible to turn on your Acer without the power button. However, some Acer monitors have an automatic setting that turns on your computer when it detects a signal from the connected device, like a console. So that's how you can turn on your Acer monitor. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.